Alright, good morning guys. So today I'll be working on the mazdaspeed6. I'll be doing the lowering springs that I bought from Teins and see what the car looks like after. Last night I put the front lip on that I bought. But I'm gonna walk you guys through on how to replace the springs. I've never done lowering springs before, so this is a first for me. And I want to see what they ride like. I've always bought coilovers, but I just don't want to spend too much money on this car. So stay tuned and I'll walk you guys through this. And please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any comment after this, please let me know in the comment section. I try to reply to everybody who sent me a comment or a question. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so in order to get this spring out, what you want to do, the first thing you want to remove is this right here, 12mm right there. Hold on, let me get the camera focus. That 12mm right there, and there's 17mm right there too. You want to remove those two first, get that out. You want to remove this 12 on the sway bar end link, and you want to remove this 12 over here. So I'm going to get those removed and then we'll go from there. So after you finish taking those 3 bolts off on the top of the shock tower, all you gotta do is just slide it out from in between there. Comes right out. Then all you want to do after that is you want to remove this nut, but make sure you get a spring compressor. Compress the spring first before you release this, or else this whole thing will just basically explode out. Set of coils mounted on your car, mounted on the shock. All you want to do is push this back there and make sure you get it up, line it up with the bolts on the top, and you want to catch like 2 of these nuts on the top. Alright guys, so after you finish tightening up everything on the bottom here, you want to make sure you tighten up the 3 bolts back on the shock tower. So now we're going to move on to the rear. The rear is very easy. It's not even necessary for you to remove the wheel, but I'm going to remove it anyways because I want to rotate my tires. The rear, if you're doing this on the floor, you're going to need like a jack to go under this. So after you get a jack, like for me, I'm using a exhaust stand. So what you want to do, you want to remove this bolt over here. I think that's 17, and you want to remove this one over here, which is the sway bar end link. That one's 14. Just those 2 you have to remove. And then you basically pull it down, pop the spring out, and push it up back. But you want to put some tension on this first. So you want to at least give it just a crank, and that'll be good. So. It's as far as back you can get it. Wiggle it a little bit. It should pop right out. Want to make sure you keep this because this has to go back on the new spring. So, old spring. So, the new spring, as you can see, I already installed it. And by the way, all these rubbers have a little notch in them. Let me see if I get the camera to focus on that. There. All of them has this notch. You want that notch, this groove right here to line up with the end of the spring. And all you have to do is just hold this back down, slide that all the way up. You want to make sure the bottom one lines up too. So after you have the bottom one lined up, put your jack or whatever you have working with back under here, and you go easy as possible. So after you finish tightening up everything, that's basically it.